Woodworking, we have here 3 files. We have a rat's tail, which is the center, a narrow, and a wide. And we're going to unpack it, show you what you get inside. Comes in a nice bag that you could hang up on your pegboard somewhere. This way you know where you have your tools. One of the files, this is flat edge on both sides, a flat file. They got enough teeth on it to file down your wood. It's got a plastic handle, it's got a rubber, it's nicely gripped, blue and blackish gray, that you simply take the file and you file away. And you can see how nicely it's taking off the wood. A nice close-up look at the filing. The opposite side. And we'll show you the other files. The other wood file is flat on one side, rounded on the other side, so in case you have any wood that you need to round off, you can do so. A nice close-up look as it's filing away. It makes a nice round cut. These will do a nice job when laid on the table correctly. The rat's tail are for holes. When you have drilled out holes, you need to ream out the hole. That's got burrs that you simply can just clean up. A close-up look. GREBSTK. It's a nice file, flat, curved, and rat's tail for your woodworking needs. I hope you enjoy these files. If this is something that you are looking for, taking care of your woodwork. Thank you for viewing.